So we are looking to find the point pxy on the unit circle when the x-coordinate is -3/5 and p is in quadrant 3. Now remember, the quadrant, we only need to know that so that we can figure out which sign our x or our y's have, is depending on the quadrant. So since we're looking for on the unit circle, we can use the equation of a circle. So we have x squared plus y squared is equal to 1, which is our equation on a unit circle when it is centered at the origin. So we're going to plug in our value for x, so that'll be -3/5 squared plus y squared is equal to 1. We're going to square our term. Negative squared, when it's in parentheses, is always going to give you a positive. So -3 squared will be 9 over 5 squared, which is 25, plus y squared is equal to 1. So we're solving for the y value. So we're going to subtract our 9/25 over. And to make it easier, we are going to switch our 1. 1 is equal to common denominator of 25 over 25. It's still equal to 1, but now we can subtract our -9/25 from there. So we end up with y squared on this side, and 25 minus 9 will get us 16 over 25. Now we just need to take the square root of both sides, and as we take the square root of both sides, remember, when you introduce a radical, it's going to be plus or minus that square root of 16 over 25. Now, these are both perfect square numbers. If you're not sure about it, remember, you can separate them and make it the square root of 16 over the square root of 25, as one of them is a perfect square and one of them is not. Well, the square root of 16 will get us 4, and the square root of 25 is 5. You could also do that from here. The square root of 16 over 25 would be 4/5. So now we have that y is equal to plus or minus 4/5. But is it positive or is it negative? Well, this is where we go back to quadrant 3. So in quadrant 3, our y value is also negative, just like the x is already. So we know that y will be equal to -4/5. Now we're looking for the point, so our point will be our x value and our y value.